Hello, trading is closed on February 15th, 2018. My last call said that I was looking for a pattern with an early high, tendency to rally into the close near the high. We got that. Generally, we expected to see higher prices, which we got starting with the gap up. Now, I don't know if my date for the 18th will work or not. Since there's no market, it would be the 16th or the 20th, but as I say, these didn't work too well. There are some complete misses with the system. There are also some amazing hits. Right now, it's just the system I'm testing. During the day, MEJT said this drop was a false move. The price would recover, which they did. Well, it's positive to rally all day long, close near the high. Almost always it leads to higher prices when the market reopens. One thing that would kill it would be gapping down sharply. It's not impossible. Here's a wall into the close. Tends to be unrestrained purchases by retail customers. Very often it gaps down. It's also interesting, if you go back here to the origin of the 200-point rally we've had in less than a week. I don't know why this seems to give me a hard time. It just won't let me do it. Well, I can't magnify it, but if you take this point and this point, that's the rally origin. You'll see how we have a Fibonacci hit right at today's high. And interesting, I'm going to show you it's also a Fibonacci hit from today's pattern. There's your Fib hit of the early morning low. So we have two patterns, days apart, both giving us this price as a target. For tomorrow, I think the pattern's positive unless we move down sharply. I would like to see us not go more than a bar past the TDST line. If we get a bar up here, it kind of kills the resistance from the line. Right now, there's just one under it and just one over it, so it's support resistance. So I'd like to see us go down. Doesn't mean I'm going to get what I like. The pattern's basically positive, and unless we gap down sharply, higher prices should print. But if we gap down sharply, I can make a case for this being the end of the rally. I can't really make that case now, and that's today's call.